Occasionally when I come to a stop, I smell the slightest hint of oil burning. Now, I check my oil regularly, and it uses the tiniest, most microscopic bit of oil, but I see where it's burning it. It's got these little holes here that come right back into the breather. And look at this. So that's where the oil's coming from. There's nothing you can do about it. They do make a thing. I'm gonna wash this, by the way. That's why I'm taking it off. And I was gonna do a video on this, on how to remove this, but I gotta tell you, they put this thing on. I was beginning to think they might have put red Loctite, but they used white Loctite. But boy, was it a booger getting them off. And these are 27, number 27 Torx is what they are. I sure wish I knew why you wouldn't focus. 27 Torx, so you gotta have a 27. 25 won't work, you'll strip them out. And that is a, what, 5/16? 5/16 hex. And then the whole breather is held on by a couple of 1/8" hex. Actually, yours may be different. This is a Screaming Eagle CVO 2016. So, I'm gonna go wash this out. They do make a fix for this, and what it is they remove these hoses back here that, let me see. The hoses that actually breathe the bit of oil vapor basically out these little holes, and they have like a catch can that catches it, but I don't have a problem with it burning. I just wanted to know that's where it was coming from, and it is. So I'm gonna wash my breather out real good, and this is a dry breather, you don't oil it. So I have some soap that's designed to clean these out. I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna take a air gun and with very, very low pressure, blow the water off, and then set my filter out there in the sun. And when it's dry, come put it back on here. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean all the oil up off of this, and I'll be good for a few more 1,000 miles. And then I'm gonna write the date that I did it on this, because I have no idea when it was last done. I'd like to know just how often I would have to do this. And that's a good thing to know. All right, here, there's my filter. I'm just gonna let this is air filter cleaner, made just for what I'm doing. So I've soaked it down. I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit, and then I'm gonna remove something that doesn't need to be there. It's this sticker. This is my air breather. And I have a Screaming Eagle cover that goes over this. And I'm gonna remove that sticker just because I don't need it. It says, warning, do not, drive with your feet around your neck and stupid crap like that. So I'm gonna sit right here and do that. I think I have a better razor blade somewhere than that. I'll find it. How I show you the dirt that comes out of these. And that's just the first cleaning. I'm gonna do it 2-3 more times. Watch the water below the filter. And you rinse from the inside out, because the air gets sucked in and all the dust and road grime gets stuck on the outside of the filter, hopefully. Okay. So I'm going to rinse the outside a little bit. I think next time I get my oil changed, I'm just going to buy a new filter. It's, I don't know how old this is, but buy a new filter, I'll know how old it is. All right, I'm going to sling the water out of this. And I'm gonna step outside and do that. And then soap this down again, and we'll see what the second cleaning does. All right, let's see what the second time around looks like. Not bad. Not bad. I'm going to go ahead and do it a third time just because I'm OCD. And I really want to soak that where the oil was on there. I want to soak that down pretty good. And that'll be the end of it. Then I'll go dry it off. All right, one more time. All righty. Crap. I've had to stop and fix Beverly's lawnmower. And my bending over is killing me right now. Anyway, I washed this out. It's dry. Now I'm going to put these back in here if I don't drop them. It happened again, Bev? Fuck. Together. Let me sing you the song of my people. Oh yeah. Tomorrow we ride. If you have my phone number and you have a little short clip you want me to show, I've had a couple of friends send me little short clips, and in the interest of guarding their privacy, I just say it's a friend from Pocatello, Idaho. So if you have my phone number and you have short funny clips, I'm talking 10, 15, 20 seconds long, and you want to see them at the end of a video, send them to my text them to me. I say text them because it's easiest to download them to my files and put them in I use iMovie, and it's just easiest for me to take them from my text. So if you have my phone number and you come up with a funny 10 to 20 second clip and you want to see it at the end of a video, send it to me, and I will call you my friend from Pocatello, no matter where you're from.
Just a bobcat in a wagon. Nothing to see here.